Welcome back to the English Plug. Today we will be telling you about the origins of the word robot. In the year 1920, Johannesburg introduced early traffic lights. These traffic lights were a new form of automated technology. They marked a significant advancement in traffic management. The introduction of traffic lights enhanced traffic control. Early traffic lights featured a mechanical design and automated function. People thought the traffic lights looked like the robots of that time. Because of this, people started calling traffic lights robots. Consequently, robot became a common term for traffic lights. The term reflected the public's view of the lights as automated mechanical devices. Thus, the design of early traffic lights influenced the adoption of robot as a nickname. In South Africa, the term robot is commonly used as a synonym for traffic light. South Africans still call traffic lights robots today. When giving directions, locals often say, "Turn at the robot." This phrase simply means to turn at the traffic light. The term robot effectively replaces traffic light in everyday conversation. So, next time you hear a South African say, "Turn right at the robot," don't worry, you won't be meeting a transformer. It's just a traffic light.